Sweet, savory, and seriously delicious. The aroma of fresh crepes is filling downtown Milwaukee for Bastille Days. Bryan Kramp is in Cathedral Square with a vendor that I heard is serving an array of these delicate French pancakes.
Yes, I'll tell you, beautiful, right? This is an art. When you're making a crepe, you got to be nice and light. They got to be thin, but they also have to be able to hold whatever is going to be going on top or inside of them. And Xavier, I got to say, your crepes stand out down here at the festival. Great seeing you again. This is a tradition that goes back to your home in the Champagne region of France when you grew up. On Sunday nights, talk about that tradition with your mom.
Yeah, Mom was thank you.
Yeah, good seeing you again.
Mom would take off on Sunday night from cooking for the whole family, you know, 5 people in the house. So taking off from cooking for her was making crepes. So I was watching and enjoying and trying to do it. And then, you know, coming to America was like, what do I share? That, you know, all what I love, that passion and that secret recipe, and it's authentic, it's real. So that's where it came from Mom.
I love the fact that it came from Mom. That's where I got my fascination and love for crepes as well, from my mom. And
right, so that's why.
And I used to steal them from the counter in the kitchen.
Oh, yeah,
I imagine
too, yeah,
you
right,
probably did as a youngster as well. You got stacks that are ready to go, but there's a sweet and there's a savory. A little bit one of the options. Go through the sweet first.
Yeah, I'm going to show you. Let's talk about the sweet. Yes. So let me show you the sweet. It's what you call a classic strawberry crepe.
Okay.
However, I like to put my own twist. I don't want to just put strawberries, so we like to add a few more elements, make it a little more, not complex, but you know, rich in flavors. Sure. And so it's a homemade syrup of strawberry.
And butter and lemon and sugar are also all part of that, but you went with strawberries.
Yeah, the butter runs in our veins, you know, in France.
You can do bananas, you can do Nutella, you can do strawberries, you can do strawberry banana Nutella. I mean, there's options with these crepes as well. Is there a favorite amongst the festival goers?
You know what, they love that strawberry because with what I put inside and the butter, like the combination is just so awesome.
Yeah.
That people keep coming back for it, you know?
Well, without a doubt, they keep coming back because they're delicious. And you got the triangle look, and you don't roll them, and then they're drizzled with a little strawberry on top. Is that the Nutella right there then?
Yeah, and I like to be light on the Nutella, you know, I don't want to overpower it. Every flavor needs a room, you know, to express itself.
When you said light, I thought you were going to go through once, and then you went through 3 times there.
Yeah, because I get distracted. And I put crystal cane sugar for the texture, you know.
Okay.
We get some crispiness.
Crystal cane sugar, that's the trick. You know what? We had a guest on Real Milwaukee this past week that makes croissants, and she's been at it for about a year. I know that your art is not something that takes little time to master. You've been doing this for how long?
I mean, honestly, since I was a kid, you know, those are the recipes that honestly at home you just have to refine depending on the weather. This morning I had to twist
and you need to turn over there too, because then you have that one as well.
That's going to be too late.
I got a little fire going on.
That's going to be fire department.
Well, Xavier is going to be on the north end of the lot, right by the Eiffel Tower. You can't miss him. Prime location right here. So you see the Eiffel Tower. Xavier's Crêpes will be right here.
Right.
Starting at I believe 11 o'clock today?
11 o'clock until 11:30. So
wonderful.
I'll be here for you guys every day.
Every day.
And we got a team for you guys.
Great to see you again. Keep flipping those crepes and making people happy with this wonderful treat down here at Bastille Days, guys. And that right there, that finished product, is the reason you might want to dive into one of these authentic French crepes from Xavier.